Good morning, student. In the previous video, we have completed lesson 1, and in this video, I will teach you lesson 2, and the topic is housing and clothing. The first question arises here: why do we need house? Yes, we need house to save from rain, cold, water, insects, bite, as well as from the strangers. Look, a healthy house, how we can say, and on what basis we can say a house is healthy? Look, I have written some point here, that the first point, it should be clean and tidy. Our house must be clean and tidy, because if there is germs and bacteria in our houses, they make us ill. They make us ill, because if there is lots of germs and bacteria in your house, then whatever you eat or drink, it is also present on it, and whenever you eat or drink, after some time you will fall ill. The second point, that it should be airy or well ventilated. Our house must be well ventilated and airy, because if there is a lots of space must be present in our house that allow the fresh air to enter in your house. If your house is not well ventilated, then the the warm air which is present in your house does not pass out, and if there is well ventilated house, then it allow the fresh air to enter in your house, and it makes you fresh. Now, the third point, it should be well lighted, allow light of sunlight to enter. Yes, our house must be well lighted, means a lots of space must be present to allow the sunlight to enter in your house. If when the sunlight enters in our house, it kills most of the pathogens, the small microorganism, as like your germs and bacteria, which we are not able to see with our naked eyes. So our house must be well lighted. If there is no electricity in your house, you just open your window, and the amount of light you need, you will get. So it is very important that our house must be well lighted. The fourth point, that it should have clean water supply. Yes, my dear, dirty water or polluted water cause many diseases and infection. So it is very important a house to have the supply of clean and fresh water to day activities. And if there is no fresh water, then what will happen? We'll fall ill. So it is very important, along with the food, along with the healthy diet, you need a fresh water to be healthy. Now, the next point, that is drainage system. Throughout the day, a lot of dirty water get disposed of through the kitchen and bathroom pipes. A good drainage system help dispose of dirty water properly. And if there is no proper drainage system, then what will happen? The entire wastewater or the dirty water or the polluted water will remain in your house, and they allow the microorganism, the pathogens, to make you ill. Okay, so a poor drainage system led a blocking of pipes and drains that causes the spread of bad smells and germs. It spread a bad smells, because the water is already polluted and it came from your kitchen and your bathroom. Now, the sixth point, that is it must have clean surrounding. Yes, no matter how clean is your house, it doesn't matter that how clean your house from the inside. The important factors, the important points which play an important role here, that is how much your surrounding is clean. Okay, garbage and dirt in the surrounding areas would cause the growth of germs. Yes, it allow the small microorganisms or pathogens to enter in your house. How much clean is your house, it doesn't matter. Along with the clean house, your surrounding must be clean. If your surrounding is not clean, then definitely the small pathogens, microorganism enter in your house and makes you ill. I hope the sixth point is clear up to here. Now the last point, that is fiber to cloth. In standard 2 you all already have learned that what are fibers. The thread like materials, which is used to make a cloth are known as fibers. Okay, and fibers clothes are of different types, as like your cotton clothes, woolen clothes, and you get these clothes from different sources. Some are artificials and naturals. Artificials or man-made fibers are those fibers that we get from, that we made in the factories by using different materials, different chemicals. And the natural fibers are those which we get from plants and animals, as like your cotton clothes, silk cloth we get from silkworm, cotton clothes we get from cotton plant, and wool we get from animals, as like your as like your ship. Along with that, in our everyday life we uses artificial fibers, artificial clothes, or man-made clothes, or human made clothes. Let me give you some example, as like your nylon, terylene, polyesters, acrylic. These all are the example of artificial fibers, man-made fibers, or you can say human made fibers. So I hope all the points are clear to you. Thank you.